Okay, this video is for the students who are 100% concurrent. So what I'd like you to do today is to go into the Tuesday, October 6th folder. Make sure you do your daily attendance first. And I would like for you to make sure that you're completing any owed assignments. You're going to continue working on your composer research project. So I'm going to click over here because it's showing in the upcoming. And when I click on my composer research project, it opens up a document. The directions are here. I'd like you to type your name, your composer's name that you chose. You're going to read the research questions to familiarize yourself with the information that you will need to answer. You're going to go to the website listed and choose a composer from the list of composers. Use the information provided about your composer to begin completing the research questions. You may use online encyclopedias, Britannica to find out more information about your composer. You may not use Wikipedia. When you have answered each question, use the information that you have collected to begin creating a Google Slides presentation. Include the answer to each question on its own slide, and please keep them in order. Recommended websites for research. So I have them listed here, and then you need to tell me which 3 resources you have used. You need at least 3. All right, for the composer's personal information, you'll answer questions 1 through 6. Then you'll answer 7 through 11 about the composer's musical training. 12 through 14 will be the music. 15 through 18 is additional information about the composer. Because some of them are opinion, you don't necessarily need a website for that. You should be typing your answers in the Google Doc here, and then when it's time to create the Google slide, you can simply copy and paste to that. You should have all of these questions answered by Friday. So you have today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you finish early, you can begin the Google Slides. To create a Google slide, you simply go to your Google account and you would choose Slides, and then it's pretty simple from there. If you need a tutorial on how to do that, I can certainly help you with that. So for today, those of you who are 100% concurrent, you are working on the composer research project. All right, kids, let me know if you have any questions. You can click here to send me a message. Please make sure that you've completed any owed assignments. Anything that's not turned in is going to be graded as a 0. All right, have a good day. Take care.